In previous class, we studied self-induction or self-inductance. We recall self-inductance, the phenomenon according to which an induced EMF or current is produced in a circuit or coil when changing current is passed through it. When changing current is passed through the same circuit, which we called as self-inductance or self-induction. Today, comparison to self-inductance, what we have to look what is mutual inductance or mutual induction. We will consider two circuits or two coils as shown here in figure. This is we consider as primary circuit and secondary circuit, which are neighboring to each other, not in contact but in neighboring to each other. Primary circuit P1, P2 is connected with a battery and a key, and as the current, by connecting the key K, as the current passes through the circuit, we will observe in the secondary coil S1, S2 a deflection which is shown by the galvanometer. Current I flowing in the primary circuit have an effect in the neighboring circuit. Thus, by passage of this current, mutual inductance. Now I will read mutual inductance. Phenomena of producing an induced current in coil or circuit by changing current in the neighboring circuit. We have passed current in first circuit and this has changed the current in the neighboring circuit. This we call as mutual inductance. Now what is coefficient of mutual induction or mutual inductance? Coefficient of mutual induction measures the ability of one coil to oppose the change in the current in the neighboring coil. Ability of one coil to oppose the change in the current in the neighboring coil. The magnetic flux, which we represent by phi, magnetic flux phi linked with one coil, that is secondary coil, is proportional to the current I in flowing in the primary coil. That is phi, this magnetic flux is directly proportional to current I, or we will say this phi is equal to Mi. This M, where M is constant of proportionality and is called coefficient of mutual induction or mutual inductance of two coils. If we take M as one unit, then phi will be equal to M, or M is equal to phi. Now what are the measures of units of mutual induction? We know by Faraday E is equal to minus times d phi by dt, or E is equal to minus times d by dt of giving the value of phi, which is Mi, d by dt of Mi, which gives E is equal to M times, M is constant, M times di by dt. Change will be in the current with respect to time, or M is equal to E times E divided by di by dt. E times di by dt with negative sign. If we take as E, mutual inductance as 1 volt, this di by dt as 1 ampere, current ampere per second, then we will get the unit of mutual inductance M. M is equal to 1 Henry, which is represent, that is M is equal to 1 H. This is self-inductance and mutual inductance. Okay.